how much should you actually spend on a bed frame? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you 5 affordable bed frames that deliver real value without breaking the bank.
Product number 1, Jetto Twin Metal Frame. Let's start with the Jetto Twin Metal Bed Frame at just $39.99. This thing caught my eye because it's one of the cheapest full support frames on the market, and over 7,000 people bought it last month. If you want a no-frills, sturdy base for a twin mattress without spending a fortune, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's 14 inches tall, which gives you solid underbed storage, perfect if you're in a small apartment or dorm room. The steel frame supports up to 600 pounds, and it doesn't need a box spring, so you save even more. Assembly is tool-free and takes about 10 minutes, which is huge if you hate wrestling with furniture on a Sunday afternoon. Now, some people complained about the packaging being flimsy and parts arriving scratched. Here's the thing though, for under $40, you're getting a functional, durable frame that does exactly what it promises. A few cosmetic dings aren't a deal breaker when the structure itself is solid. This is perfect for you if you need a basic, reliable frame for a guest room, kids room, or temporary setup. Skip this one if you want something sleek or modern looking. For the price, it's an absolute steal.
Product number 2, Luminance Full Frame. That was a solid budget pick, but if you need a full-size frame and want a bit more polish, the Luminance Metal Bed Frame at $56.99 steps up nicely. Over 1,000 sold last month, and it's built with noise-free joints, something you'll notice the first time you roll over at night. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 14-inch height gives you serious underbed storage, and the heavy-duty steel legs support up to 800 pounds. That's important if you have a thicker mattress or just want peace of mind. The slats are spaced close enough to prevent sagging, and again, no box spring needed. Assembly is straightforward with clear instructions. Now, some buyers mention the bolts can feel a little loose over time if not tightened regularly. Here's the thing though, this is common with metal frames, and a quick check every few months keeps it rock solid. It's not a design flaw, just normal maintenance. This is perfect for you if you want a quiet, sturdy, full-size frame without overspending. Skip this one if you're looking for a low-profile design. At under $60, it's a smart upgrade from the cheapest options. Product number 3, Amazon Basics Foldable Frame. If the Luminance's fixed design doesn't suit your space, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Amazon Basics Foldable Bed Frame at $89.99 is the most expensive on this list, but it's also the most versatile. Over 1,000 sold, and it folds in half for easy moving or storage, something no other frame here offers. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you move often or live in a small space, being able to collapse this frame is a game changer. It's 14 inches high with tons of underbed room, made of sturdy steel, and supports up to 600 pounds. Plus, it's completely tool-free. Just snap it together in minutes. Now, some people complained it's a bit heavier than expected when folded. Here's the thing though, that weight comes from the durable steel, not flimsy materials. It's a trade-off for strength and stability. This is perfect for you if you need portability without sacrificing support. Skip this one if you never plan to move it. For renters or students, it's worth the extra cost. Product number 4, Amazon Basics 9-leg frame. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for queen-size sleepers. The Amazon Basics 9-leg support frame at $59.42 is built like a tank. With 9 support points, it distributes weight evenly and reduces flex, something you'll feel if you have a heavy mattress. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This frame is designed to work with a box spring or as a standalone platform. That flexibility is rare at this price. It's only 7 inches high, so it's low to the ground, which some people prefer for a modern look. Assembly is tool-free and takes under 15 minutes. Now, some buyers said the lower height limits underbed storage. Here's the thing though, if you don't need that space, the sleek profile and extra support make this a winner. It's all about your priorities. This is perfect for you if you want a low-profile queen frame with serious support. Skip this one if you need tall storage space. For under $60, it's a quiet, reliable foundation. Product number 5, DIIV Twin Classic Frame. The DIIV Twin Bed Frame at $59.99. Don't let the name fool you. This is a well-built, classic-style metal frame with a surprising amount of strength. Over 700 sold last month,
and it's got a timeless look that fits most bedrooms. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The steel slots are reinforced and spaced perfectly to prevent mattress sag, even over time. It's 14 inches tall with great underbed clearance and supports up to 500 pounds. Assembly is simple and the frame doesn't squeak, something you'll appreciate after a long day. Now, some people mention the instructions aren't the clearest, which can slow down setup. Here's the thing though, once it's together, it's solid. A little patience goes a long way. This is perfect for you if you want a durable twin frame with a classic look. Skip this one if you're in a rush to assemble. For the price, it's a reliable long-term pick.
So, which one should you pick? The Jado wins for pure value, Luminance for quiet support, Amazon Basics Foldable for portability, the 9-leg for low-profile queen sleepers, and DIYV for classic twin durability. All under $90, all built to last. Let me know which one fits your space best.